Yeah. Let us see, guys, here. Yeah. In the last class, we have studied here. Okay, the order of adjectives here with a noun. Generally, what is that here? First article, then quantity, okay, then quality, then size. S stands for size. Size means big, small, like that. Okay. A stands for age, new, modern, ancient, like that. SH stands for shape. Then shape means round, oval, like that. Okay, shape, stout, thin, like that. Next, C stands for color. O stands for origin. Origin means okay, uh, Chinese, Japanese, Indian, like that. Then M stands for material, wooden, plastic, iron, metallic, like that. P stands for purpose. Okay, dining, reading, dining table. Table is a noun. Dining is here the purpose. Is it clear? Right? Okay. Okay. French, yeah. Hmm. French is also here, that one. Right here. That is origin. Okay. And now let us see here. In this one, okay. A comparison of adjectives here. You see here. Okay, in the this comes under degrees of comparison, guys. Here, degrees of comparison. You see here in the degrees of comparison. Yeah, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. He is a strong man. Okay, the butterfly is beautiful here. Beautiful and strong, these are comparative. So in okay, these are here positive. He is a strong man. Strong here is it qualifies this man. Okay, this strong is in positive degree. The butterfly is beautiful. Beautiful is also positive, right? And stronger, more beautiful are comparative. Is it clear? And strongest, most beautiful are the superlative, right? When we compare, okay, two things here, generally we use a comparative degree. Okay, right? For example, your pencil is longer than mine. This longer is the comparative degree. The flower is more beautiful than its picture in the book. More beautiful. So here, this is called comparative. Okay. Next one. Uh, this, this table is the largest of the three in the room. This largest means this is the superlative, right? And most beautiful is the superlative, right? You know this one. High, higher, highest. By adding ER, EST, we are making a okay, comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, brave, braver, bravest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Easy, easier, easiest. You see, simple, simpler, simplest. Okay, these you know here very well. And let me tell you here in this one, there are 4 types of adjectives in this one. For example, you can make here okay, positive into comparative and comparative to superlative by adding ER, EST. Tall, taller, tallest. Big, bigger, biggest. This is okay, first type, first category of adjectives. Another category, you can't add ER and EST. You have to say beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Good, better, best. And remember, guys, here, okay, you can't use okay more and ER together. You can't say more taller. You can't say most tallest. When EST is possible, don't use most. When ER is possible, don't use more. Okay, this is second type of adjectives. And third type here, we can't add ER, EST. We can't add here more, most. We have to change the word completely. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. Much more, most. You see here, we are changing the words completely. Okay. And far, farther, farthest. Old, older, oldest. This is okay. Okay. This is here. Okay. ER only. This is. And here fourth category. And remember, guys, fourth category. For example, quiet QUITE. Next one. Perfect. Perfect. Next round. Okay. Is it clear? First, okay. Complete. Okay. So for such words here, unique. Is it clear? And these adjectives, they don't have any comparative and superlative forms. Quite means here complete only. So you can't say more complete and most complete. You can't say more quite, most quite. You can't say more perfect, most perfect. Perfect. Because perfect itself is 100%. So okay, errors may come in this also. Okay, you can't say round, more round, most round. Round means okay, radius is equal from all sides. That is round. Unique. Unique means only one of its kind. Okay, when it is only one of its kind, you can't compare it here. So these have no okay comparative and superlative forms. Like this, there are okay 4 types of okay adjectives. Now, guys, here first let us see here how to change here. Okay, 1 degree into another degree, and in short, within 10-15 minutes, we can complete this one. And because you know it very well. And remember, when the comparison is only between two, okay, superlative degree is not possible. Remember that. When comparison is only between two, superlative is possible, not possible. Okay. Only positive degree and comparative degree, these two are possible to compare between two. Is it clear? So this is very, very important here. Okay, in errors, okay, it will come. And see, guys, here, Ravi is the tallest boy in the class. Tallest boy means this is a superlative and no one is equal to him. That is the meaning of tallest. And here, one of the tallest girls means there are some tallest girls, among them one. Okay, Rani is one. See the difference between here, the tallest and one of the tallest. One of the tallest girls means there are few other girls who are equal to Rani. Here you see here, Ravi is the tallest means he is the tallest here and no one is equal to him. You should know the meaning also. You should know the meaning. So in this one, you see, in the comparative degree, Ravi is taller than any other boy or all other boys. You have to add other. Don't say all boys, all other boys. Don't say any boy, you have to say any other boy. Is it clear? Okay. So what you have to do is taller, you have to add taller. Then, taller than. This is comparative. Okay. Taller than any other boy, okay, or all other boys in the class. Then positive degree, you have to keep here, okay, as tall as equal. So no other boy in the class is so tall as Ravi. Why did we keep here so? When it is a negative sentence, when there is not or no, we have to use so instead of as. If you say as tall as means equal. Okay. No one is so tall as Ravi. This is one method here. And here you see another example. Geeta is the most beautiful girl in the class. The most beautiful means no one is equal to her. Okay. No other girl in the class is so beautiful as Geeta. So in the comparative, Geeta is more beautiful than any other girl in the class. most beautiful superlative, more beautiful comparative. So beautiful as beautiful as is the positive, right? See this one, or just check it here. What is happening? They'll give one here, okay, degree, and ask us to change into another degree without change in the meaning. Remember that, without change in the meaning. So, and if it is like this here, see guys here, Rani is one of the tallest girls in the class. One of the tallest girls lo okaru. Means few other girls are, okay, in the class are as tall as, okay, Rani. Right? She is not the tallest of all. She is one of the tallest girls. Means there are some tallest girls. Among them, Rani is one. Means some other girls, few other girls in the class are as tall as Rani. Okay. Next, in the comparative degree, okay, taller than, Rani is taller than, not all other, you have to say many other. When it is one of the tallest here, you have to use many other or some other. Okay. So when it is like this here, the tallest means, okay, any other or all other you have to use. When it is the tallest here, you have to use in the comparative degree any other or all other. Okay. Right here. Next, when it is here like this here, when it is one of the, in comparative you have to use here many other or some other. In the positive, few other or a few other. So if it is many other, here use few. If it is some other, a few. Okay. Next, Hyderabad is one of the biggest cities in India. So what you can use here, bigger than many other cities. When it is many other cities, here it should be few other cities in India are as big as Hyderabad. This is second type. Okay. And third type, there will be no superlative degree. Geeta is taller than Sita. A is, okay, taller than B. Means B is not equal to A. Sita is not so tall as Geeta. This is one. Geeta is not cleverer than Sita. Means Sita is at least as clever as Geeta. Just observe that one, don't worry. Because in the examination, how they will be asked here? Superlative degree, comparative degree, positive degree. Yes. Okay. Yeah. First, positive degree mean, okay. Positive degree, when do we use positive degree? Just to say, use some adjective, okay, to say some praising word here with a noun. Okay. Is it clear? Something, okay, some adjective with a noun, okay, in the positive form only. Or you can use it here, okay, to compare between two, to say those are equal or not equal, you can use the positive. Okay. Just to use one adjective with a person or a thing here, you can use positive degree. Okay. When you want to say, okay, two persons are equal or two persons are not equal, okay, two things are equal, two things are not equal, okay, you can use positive degree. But when you want to say one is more, better than the other here, that is comparative. Okay, between two only comparative. Comparative also should be between two only. Okay, one is better than other. That comes under comparative. Okay, if the comparison is made here among more than two, and to say here it is the super one and the best of all, you have to use here superlative. Okay, superlative can be used here only when, okay, one person or thing is compared to, okay, many, that is more than two, and saying it is the best or one of the best, you have to use superlative. You see here in this one, guys, here first form is here. This is the first line is here positive, second line is comparative, third line is superlative. Okay, this superlative cannot be used to compare between two persons or two things. Okay, to use this superlative, there should be more than two persons or more than two things here. To use this one, okay, there should be two groups or two categories here, between two persons or between one person and one group. Okay, between one person and one group, between one thing and another group, like that. Means two identities should be there. Okay, to use this okay, comparative. Okay, to use this positive degree, tall, big, beautiful, these are okay. To use this first line, just okay, we can use with one person or one thing here, or to say it is equal to another one also. We can use this first form. Okay, so since the okay, right? Yeah, tell me here, Ram Subhash, any doubt? Okay. Next one. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay, only see here how they are used here. Okay, let us check here. Okay, you see here. Change the degrees of comparison in the following sentences without changing the meaning. A cat is as playful as a dog. Means both are equal, as playful as dog here. Okay, all of you guys here, see these examples. A cat and a dog, these are compared and said here these are equal. As means, okay, similar, as playful as a dog. Is it clear? When both are equal, one cannot be more than the other. So here what did we do? A dog, okay, here we are okay taking this. A dog is not more playful than a cat. Okay? Is it clear? I am as clever as you. I am as clever as you are. That means you are not cleverer than I am. Is it clear? When we are equal here, one cannot be more than other. But you see here, how these are changed here. A cat is as playful as a dog. Okay? And don't use cat in the beginning here. A dog is not more playful than a cat. That is the intention. Next, he is as brave as a lion. See, these are equal. Okay? So, a lion is not braver than he is. Here you see. Okay? A lion is not brave. In the errors here, sometimes they may give a wrong sentence like a lion is not braver than him. Don't use him here. Right? Whichever are compared, they should be in the same case, either subjective case or objective case. Okay, see guys here, how it is changed. Okay, is changed. Okay, for the first two sentences, superlative okay degree is not possible. Most playful, okay, bravest, those are not possible here. Why those are not possible? Because comparison is between two only, cat and dog, okay, he and lion. So in this one, only positive and comparative, these two are possible. Okay, right. This book is more useful than any other book in the market. So more useful than any other. This is comparative. So it is more useful than any other means you can use here in the superlative, most useful. This book is the most useful of all in the market. In the place of more useful, you are using most useful. This book is the most useful of all in the market. The most useful. So no other book in the market is okay as useful as this book or so useful as this book. Okay, when it is negative, better use so. Guys, okay, you need not worry. Any doubt? Okay, right. Okay, you see here, more useful than any other. Any other means here, okay. You see here, it is the most useful. If it is many other are like that here, you can say many one of the. In the superlative, if there is one of the, in the comparison, it will be okay. Many other or some other. In the superlative, if it is most useful, here in comparison, it will be any other. When it is any other, in the positive, it will be no other. All of you guys here note down. Okay, once again, you if you want to note down, you can note down, okay, these hints also. You see, all of you guys here, don't get confused. Why two answers here? Okay, okay, Ram Subhash here. Why I have given two answers means one I have given, okay, third one, okay, it is given, okay, in the comparative degree. So they may ask us to change it into superlative degree, or they may ask us to change it into positive degree. Is it clear? That's why I have given two answers. But the meaning should not be changed. Okay. So guys, again, once again, okay, to avoid confusion, you see here. If it is one of the, in comparison, many other or some other. In positive, few other. If it is one of the, in comparison, many, okay, many other or some other. Here, few other or a few other. If it is just, okay, the tallest, here any other or all other. Here, nobody, no other is there. Right? The most beautiful means, okay, beautiful than any other, more beautiful than any other. Here, no other. See, just if you remember this one, it is easy only. Don't worry about it. Okay. Next one. Just, okay, we will see these examples and, okay, I will leave you some, okay, for your reference. Next, fourth one. This hill is older than all others. All other, any other means in the superlative, this is the oldest. Okay, hill in the country. And in the positive, no other hill in the country is as old as this or so old as this. Generally, if no is there here, keep so. Okay, guys, here, don't worry about it here. Just observe it. Here, what is this superlative here? Fourth one, older than all others. Older, ER is there. And then, older than is here comparative. Older than is comparative. Oldest is the superlative. Okay, older than all others. Okay, it is comparative. And the oldest is the superlative. This is the oldest hill. When this is the oldest, no other hill in the country is so old as this. Next, the deer runs faster than the horse. Only two are there. The deer runs faster than the horse. Means the horse runs not fast. Okay. Here it is wrong here. runs not as fast as the deer. The horse runs not instead of saying runs not. The horse does not run. No. Here also wrong. Here does not run as fast as fast as the deer, or so fast as the deer. You see here, when one is greater than other, when one is greater than other, they never become equal, no? Guys, here, when one is greater than a deer runs faster than the horse. Okay, then horse does not run as fast as the deer. Fastest is not possible, Lokesh. Lokesh, fastest is not possible because only there are two, deer and horse. Okay, deer and horse. When it is among more than two, comparison is among more than two, then only superlative is possible. In this one, this is comparative, this is positive. Only two are possible. Okay. Next, see here. Madras is one of the biggest cities in India. One of the biggest. So in the comparative, bigger than many other. Okay, in positive degree, few other cities in India are as big as Madras. Is it clear? When it is one of the, here it is bigger than many other. Okay, in the positive, few other cities in India are as big as Madras. Okay. A few other, they may give in the positive degree also. A few other flowers are as beautiful as lily. A few other, are. So lily is one of the most beautiful flowers. One of them. Lily is more beautiful than some other flowers. When there is some other, here a few other. A few other, here some other. Here one of them. So they may give like this here to confuse us here. No other boy in the class is as clever as Ramesh. Means Ramesh is the cleverest boy in the class. Ramesh is cleverer than all other boys in the class. Okay. Now just you got some idea, and don't worry about this one. Hello, Ram Subhash here. Both are correct sentences only. Yeah, both are correct sentences only. Okay, they may ask us to change it into, what is that you see here? For example, for this one, this is superlative, this is your comparative, this is positive. All three give similar meaning. In the examination, they may ask, they may give us one and ask us to change into comparative or positive. They may give here sometimes here in the positive degree and ask us to change it into superlative or ask us to change it into comparative. Is it clear? So here also, no other boy in the class is as clever as Ramesh, means this is positive. Without change in the meaning, we can write the sentence like this. Ramesh is the cleverest boy in the class. Ramesh is cleverer than all other boys in the class. Okay. Okay. Now here. Now here, errors in the adjectives. Let us see the errors in the adjectives. Okay, in our examination, they will be asked like this. Okay, I will increase the font size. Guys, here, Kalidas is greater than any other dramatist. Any dramatist. Greater than any dramatist. What is wrong in it? Okay. Guys, you can answer these here. Errors. Kalidasa is greater than any dramatist. So, mistake is any. Don't say any dramatist. If you say any dramatist, Kalidas also comes in that group. So you have to say here any other dramatist. Don't say any dramatist. Say any other dramatist. That is the mistake here. Right? Any other. So these small mistakes only. Right. India is more beautiful than any country of the world. In comparative, so what is the right sentence here? Right here? Any other country. Any other country here. Other country. See guys here, generally in the comparative, just rule is here. Okay, rule is here any other, okay, all other, or many other, or some other in comparative. Okay, and it must be in the comparative form, more beautiful than. Than should be there in the comparative. Okay, either here ER or EST or more or most should be there. Is it clear? Right? In the comparative, any other, all other, many other, some other only. Right? And in the superlative, tallest or one of the tallest, biggest or one of the biggest. Okay? Is it clear? Most beautiful or one of the most beautiful. Like that, okay, it should be. Next. And remember, in the superlative, either EST should be there or most should be there. Is it clear? Okay, third one, who will tell here? Mr. Risingani is the most industrious and the noblest member of the college. Here, for industrious, we can use most. Most industrious is correct only. But can we say most noblest? We can't say most noblest. When EST is there, we can't use here. Okay, we can't use here the most noblest here, right? So if you bring, okay, if you keep most here, this most is common to industrious and noblest. When you keep most here, this most, okay, is related to industrious as well as noblest, which is wrong here. So to avoid this confusion, to avoid this most application of most to both, you can, okay, reverse the adjectives here. Okay, noblest and most industrious. Most industrious. This is the answer. You may ask me here why it is like this. Why it is like this? If you bring most in the beginning here, okay, it will be applicable to industrious as well as noblest. So to industrious we can use most, but for noblest can we use most? No. That's why the most position should not be here. It should not be applicable to industrious and noblest. To avoid that, we are using noblest in the beginning and most industrious next. So here most will be applicable to only this word, industrious only. It will not be applicable to noblest. Okay. Next. Gautam, it is wrong. Okay. Next. The whole India mourned the death of Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Here, don't say whole India. The whole India is wrong here. What should be there, Adilakshmi? Write that one. What should be there? Entire India or whole of India? Here, whole India is wrong here. Okay. This one is. What is the correct answer, guys? Overall India. Entire India, okay? Or whole of India? Whole of, okay? Whole of or entire India? Or entire India and throughout India, entire. Okay. Next. Television has proved much harmful than useful. This is a mistake here. What is the correct answer? Here, guys, here, if you are aware of that one, much harmful. No? More harmful, yes. More harmful. Okay. Jaya Sai Durga Bhavani, very good. More here. So, much is in positive only. Guys, here, all of you, remember, much is used in the only, okay, positive. In the superlative here, in the comparative, it should be more only. More harmful than. More harmful than. This is the correct answer. Right? Okay. And guys, okay, are you listening or just getting bored? See here, when you listen and apply here, respond, it will be interesting. So, no less than 5 students were drowned here. Okay. Who will answer here? Who will answer? All of you, try to respond. Guys here. Arkela Naveen, Arun Kumar, Balram Reddy. Okay. Bhavana. Hey Bhavana. Hello. Respond, guys. Naveen, respond. Not just raising hand, answer it. Okay. More than. What is that? More than 5 students were drowned. No. What is that here? Others try. Fast here. And guys here, don't use this less here. Note down, all of you. Note down in your notes. Less is okay, uncountable. Less is used with uncountable nouns, and few is used with countable nouns. No fewer than. So here it should be no fewer than. Hello guys. No less than is wrong here. This one. No fewer than. Why? Okay. It looks very simple only, but we neglect here. Less is okay. 5 students, plural is there, no? Means it is countable. With countable, don't use less. You should use here no fewer. Okay, least, less. Okay, much. These are used with the uncountable. Okay, many, fewer, few. These are used with the countable nouns. Hello guys here. Note down this. Not less than. Why not here, Adilakshmi? Why not less than? Less is used with the uncountable nouns. Not less than 5 kg rice, 5 kg sugar. Sugar is uncountable, no? Sugar is uncountable. Not less than 2 liters of milk. Milk is uncountable. We can't say milks, no? Right? Okay, very good. Adilakshmi, ask me doubts like this. Okay. So here students is countable noun. Plural form is there. It is countable. When countable is there, here we use few, fewer, fewest. For uncountable, okay, low, less, least. Low, less, least. Okay. Next one. Mr. Okay, Amarnath is the most ablest man of the town. Guys, here, respond here. Mr. Amarnath is the most ablest man of the town. Right, okay. Guys, here, all of you, Divyasri, Ishwar Chandra, Gannu Vinay Kumar, Gautam A, Govinda Mohan. Okay, 5 members, raise your hands. Divyasri, Ishwar Chandra, Gautam A. Hello, right here. Yeah, just answer those questions here. Mohan, Govinda, hello. Answer here. Answer it. Mr. Amarnath is the most ablest man of the town. Okay. Okay, Yashvita here. Yashvita, ablest is possible. When EST is possible, don't use most. Yeah. Sir, the sentence not less than LESS, less than 12 years, 12 liters of water, correct only. Okay, no less than, okay, no less than or not less than, both are, okay, depending on the completion of the sentence. Depending on the completion of the sentence, we can use Mahendra. Okay, we can use both. Okay. Yashvita, more also wrong here. What should we use here? When EST is possible, remove this most. When EST is not possible, we have to keep most. We can say most beautiful, but we can't say most tallest. Is it clear? We can say most handsome, but we can't say most biggest. Okay. Guys, here, when EST is possible for superlative degrees, don't use this most. So here, avoid most. This is wrong. Okay, most ablest is wrong. Simply ablest. It should be just ablest. All of you guys note down here and revise here. Okay, whenever you find time, and if you know the reason, it will be nice. What is the reason? When EST is possible, don't use most. There are not much books in the library. Guys, what is that? Durga Bhavani. Okay, more is wrong here. More is comparative, no? Comparative. Why did you use more? You better use many. There are many. Okay. There are not many books in the library. Why? Much and many both are positive only. But many is used with countable nouns. Much is used with uncountable nouns. Okay. much quantity, okay, much rice, much water, okay, we can say like that, but you can't say many water. Many water is wrong, much water is correct. Okay, many books is correct, much books is wrong. Health is more preferable than wealth. Guys, here, most, why most here? Okay, Ram Subhash writes here. Why much here? And all of you guys here, note down the reason here. Okay, the word prefer or preferable. Okay, itself is comparative. The word prefer or preferable, okay, itself is comparative. And it is followed by the preposition to. And it is followed by the preposition to. Okay. Okay, prefer or preferable is, okay, followed by the preposition to. It takes the preposition to, right? Prefer something to some. Preferable, okay, something is preferable to some, right? So here, what is wrong here? More is wrong. We should not use more. This is one. And we, instead of than, we have to use, okay, to, right? Health is preferable to, okay, preferable to. Health is preferable to wealth. Okay, guys. All of you, okay. Yeah, most preferable is also wrong here. Preferable is here comparative only. Pravalika. Okay, right? So don't use, okay, most also. Before, okay. Is it there? Only two are there, na? Pravalika. When there are only two, why did you use more? Health versus wealth. Pravalika, when there are only two, health versus wealth, superlative is not possible. Okay, next. Amrita here. Much is also here. Wrong here. Just preferable to. Preferable itself is comparative. Okay, right. And Ram Subhash, okay, remove more, okay. But preferable is followed by the preposition to. Right? Health is preferable to wealth. That's it. So most is wrong here. Okay. Much is also wrong here. Just preferable to. Preferable itself is comparative. Okay. The Taj Mahal is a worth seeing monument. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Ram Subhash here. Mahendra. Okay, what did you say here? Mahendra, okay, I will explain the above example. Here, ninth one, all of you guys here, remember, preferable, when we use the word preferable, it itself, okay, shows the comparison. The word itself is comparison. When the word itself is comparison, again, there is no need of more. Okay. And you should not use most also. Why you should not use most? Okay. Here, okay, comparison is between two, health and wealth only. So here most is also not possible. Most is not possible. Much is also not possible. Okay. Why much is not possible? Preferable itself is comparison. In the comparison, don't use much. And more is also not possible. Why not possible? Preferable word itself is comparison. Again, there is no additional use of more. And here this one is followed by the preposition to, not than. So health is preferable to wealth. Okay. Sentence number 8. Okay. Mahendra, sentence number 8. There are not many books in the library. Okay. Many is countable. Much is uncountable. Much, okay. Much, okay, denotes only quantity, not the number. Not the number. It is just, okay, some quantity with uncountable number. Nouns only. Much water. Okay. Is it clear? Much water, you can say. Okay, much milk. Okay. Much metal. Right? So with uncountable nouns here, you can use here much. Much. With countable, you have to use many. Okay. Many, more, most. Many is positive, more is a comparative, most is a superlative. For with countable nouns. With uncountable, much in positive, more in comparative, most in superlative. Much, more, most, many, more, most. Okay. There are not so books. What is that so books? So many books. Okay. There are not so many books in the library. Okay. So books is wrong here. Okay. Next. So 10th one. Taj Mahal is a worth seeing monument. We will, okay. Who will write this one? Worth seeing monument. A worth seeing monument. What is wrong? No, visiting, okay. No need of changing the word here. Amruta, no need of changing the word. So you see, guys, here, all of you note down in your notes, worth seeing, worth reading, okay? Or enough, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. Such adjectives should come after the noun, not before the noun. Write down. Adjectives like, write down. Adjectives like, shall I here write? Okay, notes. Okay. Adjectives like, okay, worth seeing, or worth reading. Okay, is it clear? Or, okay, worth enough. Okay, worth enough. Or enough, simply enough also. Okay, should be used after the nouns, okay, which they qualify. Okay, whom they qualify, to which they qualify, to which they qualify. Try to understand here and try to note down this one. So here, worth seeing is, it qualifies that monument, no? So it should come after a monument. Taj Mahal is a monument. Worth seeing. It should be. Okay. Is it clear? Wings of Fire is a book worth reading. Wings of Fire is a book worth reading. Is it clear? Worth reading. So use this here, worth seeing, worth reading, enough, okay, after the noun only. Okay. Right, guys, here. A monument, okay. A monument worth seeing. Yashvita, you are right here. Okay, worth visiting. Okay, but it should come after the noun only. Amrita, it should come after the noun. Next, less books are needed for the library. Less books are needed for the library. Just now I told you. Hello, guys, here. 11th one. Change it here. Less books are needed for the library. Hello, guys. Simply by reading it. Less books are needed for the library. You see here. Okay, here what is wrong here? Less books here. This is wrong. Why it is wrong? Fewer books only. Okay, few books are needed for the library. Okay, is it there? Less is used with uncountable. Much is used with uncountable nouns. Okay, many, few are used with the countable. Right? Okay, guys, here I think you have another class. Okay, let us continue here tomorrow, and we can complete this topic by tomorrow. Okay, right.